Welcome back, everyone. This is Zainab with Passive Entrepreneur. Today, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing in 5 minutes. This is going to be a value packed video talking about how to get traffic, what affiliate marketing is, the 3 top niches in affiliate marketing, and so much more. So, without further ado, I'm going to turn my camera around and let's dig into this video. So here, the first thing we're going to talk about is why affiliate marketing. And the reason why I love affiliate marketing so much is because you don't have to deal with so many other things other online business owners have to deal with. So with affiliate marketing, you don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to deal with refunds. You don't have to have your own products. You don't have to test to see if the product is going to sell. You don't need a team or an employees. You don't even have to deal with payment matching. The company deals with all these messes. You don't have to deal with any of it. We're going to talk about the 3 major affiliate marketing niches. The first one we're going to talk about is wealth, which includes investment, cryptocurrencies, which is, the latest now. Talk about making money online, like e-commerce, drop shipping, print on demand, and stuff like that. And we also have forex trading and so much more. Trust me, there are so many sub niches you can get from the wealth niche. And then we're going to go to the second one, which is the health niche. There's always going to be someone out there that wants to lose weight or gain weight or change their diet, maybe from other diets to keto diets. Some people want better nutrition for their body. We have the diabetics that needs to adjust their nutrition. Stuff like that. So under the health niche, there are so many sub niches that you can also go into. And then we have a last one, which is the relationship. We human beings want to be relatable. We want to be, liked. We want to be able to relate with one another. We want to have a good marriage, good relationship, good love life. So there's always going to be someone out there that needs your advice on how to get better in their relationship, with either with their husband, with their boyfriends, or in general just with their family. So this is the third niche, and this one also has so many sub niches that you can get into. Now we're going to move to the next slide, which talks about the companies that you can sign up for, become an affiliate for, and start promoting immediately. With Builderall, I do promote Builderall. You get 100% of the first sales, and then you get 30% recurring commission every month. ClickFunnels pays like 40% of recurring commission every month. GetResponse pays 33% recurring commission every month. A company like a Legendary Marketer, you make a one-time commission, and you also have opportunities for upsells and make more money down their funnel. So we also have affiliate networks. These are websites where you can go into and search for products to promote. So we have all these affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Digistore24. So if you're someone that ClickBank doesn't work in your country, you can always try Warrior Plus or try JVZoo. I don't know if Digistore24 works all around the world too, but I think JVZoo and Warrior Plus does work all around the world. Now we're going to look at what is called the sales funnel. So as an affiliate marketer, the sales funnel is your bread and your butter. Like, once you understand the sales funnel and you're able to build a trusting relationship with your potential customers, the sky is the limit to how much money you can make with affiliate marketing. So my major source of traffic is TikTok. I have a link in my profile on TikTok that brings them into my opt-in page. And like I've said in some of my videos, the opt-in page is there for you to collect emails and collect names. I always advise my new affiliate marketers to always start with organic traffic, because paid traffic can be complicated. They can, be very, very costly. So if you start with a free traffic, you can always, try paid traffic later on. By the time you make more money, you can always reinvest in your business by using paid traffic. Like I said, My major source of traffic is TikTok, but like I said, I also use Instagram, YouTube. This is my YouTube channel, and I'm also now looking into Facebook organic traffic, but that's gonna be a story for another day. So in the opt-in page, I talk about myself and what the products I'm promoting or they're gonna be seeing will do for them or has to offer them. My big page talks more about the products and the service that I'm about to introduce to them. My big page also has a video that talks about the product I'm about to introduce to them, which now leads them to the sales page. This is where the money is being made. So this page is going to be the company page where the owner of the product is going to tell them more about the product. And how much you get paid depends here on, because I said the money is made here, but how much you get paid depends on the products you're affiliating for. Maybe 3% with companies like Amazon to like 100% with companies like Builderall. So this is the sales page, and some of the affiliate programs do have upsells. Something like Legendary that I promote, they do have upsells down their funnel that people can pay more and buy more stuff, and you also get paid for those things. So now we move to the email sequence. This is the reason why I said it's important as an affiliate marketer to collect emails and to collect names. And over 90% of people will not buy from you the first time. So if you have their emails and their names, you can always send them emails. People won't even make the decision to buy till like the 5th or the 7th to the 12th contact they have with you. So if you have their emails, you can afford to send them emails. You can send them emails every day or every 2 days, whichever way you want to run your business. You make the decision about that. So you can send them emails every day or every 2 days and send them back to the sales page. When you're done with that affiliate products, you can send them other emails giving them value, teaching them how to use the product you're promoting. And if you have a similar product down the line, maybe a week or 2 later after you've been sending them value, you can always add a similar product. Find a book or a course that teaches people about how to drive traffic to their affiliate links, and then you can promote it again to them. So this is how you make money. I don't know if you've heard the saying before that the money is in the list. This is what they're talking about. What I see a lot of new beginner affiliate marketers do is that they just send their traffic straight to their affiliate link, which is not the best way. Sorry, guys. Which is not the best way for you to do affiliate marketing because, like I said, over 90% of people are not going to buy from you the first time. So other sources of traffic, you can create a Facebook group and teach people what you've learned from the training. And the good thing about TikTok right now is you can easily drive your followers on TikTok to your Facebook groups and have more one-on-one with them. If you have a group and you have some followers, you can always, teach them what you need to teach them in like 1 hour, 30 minutes, for as long as you want to. Instagram, I thought was dead when it comes to promoting on Instagram, but I've been proved wrong in the past like 1 month, although it's not growing as fast as TikTok, but it's still growing, and I've gotten some customers on Instagram. Like, I couldn't believe it. Pinterest, I don't really do much, and I don't think I'm going to be doing much on Pinterest because I don't know, I just don't feel it. Some people do feel it, they like it, they're using it to promote their affiliate links. You can also use Google AdSense. When you get 1,000, I'm still working on that. When you get 1,000 subscribers and 40 hours watch time, you can make money through AdSense and stuff like that. So that's the good thing about YouTube. And that is how we end this amazing video.